Alrighty, gang. Photo shoot with the 3 cars today. Alrighty, gang. Photo shoot with the 3 cars today. The C7, C5, and the GT4. Big shout out to Neil and Tyler for helping me drive the cars out here. Pretty stoked. I think we got some good shots in this configuration. I might end up changing the configuration a little bit. Fun drive here. I used the 360. Hopefully I got some good clips of, all 3 cars on the freeway cruising together. A little update on the GT4 actually. So we're on these Meisterwerk multi-piece wheels here, matching bolts and the caliper, right? And then of course we have the Porsche center cap there, which I really like. Rear is really deep dished. I haven't shown this yet, but yeah. Boom. C7, Titan 7s. This is gonna be the track car. I can't wait to track it this season. You guys have seen the C5, of course. My favorite of the bunch. This thing just has so much character, guys. I know it might seem silly why I love it so much when, the others exist, but I'm telling you, drive one of these, you'll understand. The inputs are undefeated.